In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a word search puzzle using Microsoft Word. Whether you're planning a fun activity for a class, a party, or just looking to challenge yourself, making your own word search can be incredibly rewarding and surprisingly simple. Let's dive right into the steps to get you started. First off, we'll need to open up a new document in Microsoft Word. If you already have a file open, great. Just make sure you're ready to start fresh with this project. Once Microsoft Word is up and running, look at the top section of the program window and locate the Layout tab. Clicking on Layout will reveal a set of options geared towards setting up your page as desired. This is where the magic starts to happen. Now we're going to insert a table, which forms the foundation of our word search. For this example, let's create a 10 by 10 table. This means 10 columns and 10 rows, providing us a nice even grid for our puzzle. To do this, simply click on Insert within the Layout tab, then select Table. A drop-down menu will appear, allowing you to choose the number of rows and columns. Glide your cursor over the grid until it highlights a 10 by 10 square, and then click. Voila! You should now see your table added to the document. Next comes the creative part, adding your words. For our demonstration, let's use the words apple, grapes, orange, and lemon. Carefully type each word into the table, placing them vertically, horizontally, or diagonally as you prefer. The goal is to make the word search challenging but not impossible. Once your chosen words are in place, you'll notice there are still plenty of empty squares in the table. This is where we introduce random letters to disguise our words and make the search a bit more intriguing. Fill in these blanks with letters of your choice. Try to distribute vowels and consonants evenly to retain a natural look, avoiding any accidental words forming that you haven't planned for. And there you have it. With all squares filled, your word search is complete. You can either keep it digital or print it out for friends, family, or students to enjoy. If you wish to make the puzzle more challenging, consider making the grid larger or increasing the number of words involved. Perhaps even create a theme for all the words you choose. That's entirely up to you. I hope these steps have made the process clear and easy to follow. Enjoy your personalized word search and have fun puzzling it out with others.